Businesses often need to inform customers about changes, working hours, service availability, or important updates, but sending these messages manually every week is time consuming. Now imagine this, your business sends a WhatsApp update automatically every week to all opted in customers and without writing or scheduling messages again and again. And that is absolutely possible. In this video, I will show you how you can create an automated weekly business update broadcast on WhatsApp so your customers stay informed without manual follow-ups. So now without any delay, let us focus on my screen and learn how the system works. So you can see I have opened this page broadcast inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and with the help of this broadcast I can easily send WhatsApp messages to a predefined list of contacts, and this is perfect for announcements, promotions or timely updates. But before starting with this, I will show you how this broadcast will look to my customers. So for that, I have already sent a broadcast to myself, and here you can see this is the particular broadcast that I have received from this business Brightness Solution, and this is a weekly update, and here all the details about this business has been provided inside this template message. So you can see this is the demo of this broadcast. Now I will show you how exactly I have created and sent this broadcast to my customers. For that, first of all, I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter key you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And in here you can see on the right corner we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to click on this sign in button. But if you are creating a free account for the first time, then you can avail 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. But if you want to buy a subscription for yourself, then here is the big surprise for you from my side. You can see this is the code that I will provide you, JAIPC, with the help of which you can get exciting discounts while buying this subscription for yourself. Now as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where you can see Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. Now after you have added your WhatsApp number, then to start creating a broadcast for ourselves, you just have to click on this broadcast given on the left side here. So here I have opened this broadcast page. In here you can see these are all the broadcasts that I have scheduled for myself. Now to start creating a new broadcast, we just have to click on this button add broadcast, and in here we can start working on our broadcast. Now first of all, for this broadcast type, from this drop down I will select this broadcast campaign because I want to schedule a broadcast campaign for myself. Now inside this broadcast name we have to give a name to our broadcast. So I will name my broadcast as this weekly business updates, and then from this drop down here I can select the contact list to which I want to send this particular broadcast. So if you want to learn how you can create a contact list for yourself, then for that just wait till the end of this video. I will show you how exactly you can create a contact list for yourself. But for now I will select this particular contact list from here, and in here you can select multiple contact lists, or if you want to send this particular broadcast to all of your contacts, then you can just click on this select all contact list. Then all of the contact list that you have created for yourself will get selected successfully. Now we will move towards the select message type, and in here you can see we have got these two different options, pre-approved template message and this regular message. So this pre-approved template message is the template message that I have already created and got it approved by Meta. Now I will show you the template that I have created, but before that you can see if I will go with this regular message, in here I can enter the message directly which I want to send to my customer, and I can send them instantly. effortlessly. But there is a condition with this regular message. I can send this messages to only those customers who were active with me for the last 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre-approved template message. So I will click on this pre-approved template message here, and in here I have to click on this box, select WhatsApp template, and this is the list of all the templates that I have created and got approved by Meta for myself. So as this is the template which I want to send to my customers, so I will select it from here, and this is the exact same template that I have shown you inside my WhatsApp account. So if you also want to learn how to create a template for yourself, then for that also you just have to wait till the end of this video, where I will show you how exactly you can create a template for yourself. Now as I want to select this exact same template, so that's why I will click on this done button. Then you will see here we can also test this broadcast. So inside the username I will enter my name, and in here I will enter the phone number to which I want to send this broadcast to test. So here I will enter my phone number, and then I will click on this send test message. Here you can see our broadcast is sent, so I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see I have again received this particular broadcast for myself. This means that here the broadcast that we are scheduling is all set to go. Now I just have to work on this particular section, schedule broadcast, and from here I can schedule this broadcast for later also. But if I want to send it instantly, then I can do that too by clicking on this no button. So as I want to schedule this broadcast for later, so I will click on this yes given here, and then from this calendar here I will select the date and time at which I want to schedule this broadcast. So as I want to schedule this broadcast for 31st of December at this 1 p.m. So I will select this date and time, and then I will click on this OK button. And you can see now I just have to click on this add broadcast button, then our broadcast will get scheduled successfully. So I will click on it here, and you can see our broadcast has been scheduled successfully. So this is how you can schedule a broadcast for yourself. And by clicking on this view stats button given here, you can also check the status of your WhatsApp broadcast. Now we just have to learn two more things. First one is how you can create a contact list, and then we will learn how to create a template for yourself. So first of all, let us begin with how you can create a contact list for yourself. So for that you just have to go inside these contacts, and in here first of all you have to add some contacts. Now if you want to add a contact, then for that you have to click on this button, and here you can either add single contacts one by one, or if you want to add bulk contacts, then for that in here you can update a CSV file with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakh contacts at once. And then when you will press this add contacts button, all of your contacts will get added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then by clicking on this plus button in front of this contact list, you can add all of your contacts inside a list that you want to. So when you will click on this plus button, in here you have to give a name to your list, add a tag, select the status as opt-in or opt-out, and you can select the incoming status also. And if you want, you can also add contact custom field inside your contact list. So this is how you can create a contact list for yourself. Now I will show you how you can create a template for yourself. For that you just have to go on this templates given here, select this templates list, and in here to start creating a template for yourself, click on this button add template, and in here you can create a template for yourself. First of all, for this template category you can select this either as marketing, utility, or authentication. So I will select it as marketing. In here you have to give a name to your template, but there is a condition with this name, that the name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. You can see this example is also given to us, so I will just copy this example from here and I will paste it inside this box. Now the name has been entered, so we will move towards this language, and inside this language box you can select any language as per your choice, but I will select this English from here. Now for this template type you can select it either as text, video, image, document, location, or anything else from this particular list. Now here we have to enter a header to our template. Like if I will enter this hello, you can see this is how the header of our template will look. Now inside this template format you can enter the format of your template. So now if I will enter this is the test. You can see here the format of our template has been added successfully. Now we can add footer also. So if I will enter this by in a footer, you can see this is how our template will look to our customers. Now to add interactive actions, I can select either this none, call to actions, quick replies, or all. So if I will go with this call to action, in here I can enter the URL of my website or my phone number so that my customer can interact with me. And inside this quick reply box, I can enter the quick replies which I want to send to my customers. So here inside this template, you can see I have added these two quick replies button, this support and stop. My customer can click on this button and automatically I will receive a reply from them. After you have added all of these following details, then you just have to click on this submit button to submit this template for approval by Meta. Meta can take a sufficient amount of time to approve your template. After that, when Meta has approved your template, then you will be able to use your template to schedule broadcast for yourself. So here I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a broadcast for yourself, and with that I have also shown you how to create a contact list and how to create a template for yourself. So that was it for this video. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And if you watch this video till end, then I will suggest you to buy a subscription of Pabbly Chatflow for yourself by using my coupon code JAIPC, and by using my coupon code you will get an exciting discount for yourself. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and for your queries you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.